in the gospel that we have read. Jesus maybe could have said, to the people collecting temple tax, kilala mo ba kung sino ako? Hindi mo alam ako anak ng sinasamba ninyo? Parang ganun, ano? But he did not. He did not claim his entitlement. In fact, dahil kilala niya yung sarili niya in this particular case as Jesus, he was not only the Son of God, he was also the Son of Man. Not only was he God, he was also human. And not only was he human, he, as a person in his situation where he lived, a resident or a foreigner of the place where he was at, he was expected to pay tax according to law, di ba? And so Jesus did not claim na, hindi niyo ba ako kilala? Ako'y anak ng Diyos. And so ang feeling is, I don't need to pay tax. As God, He has superiority over everything. But as a human person, He recognized that He was also a human person, tao. And therefore, He had to give to, as He said, to give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. To follow the law that human beings were following because He was in that human world. Kilala niya kung sino siya. And He did not claim entitlement for that. Alam niya na siya ay Diyos, pero alam niya siya rin ay tao.